Hi guys! Eden here of Try Ko Lang Recipes, and for today magluluto ako ng isa sa mga paborito at comfort food nating mga Pilipino, which is ang tinolang manok na lalagyan ko ng papaya. Now for the full ingredients and instructions of this recipe, it can also be read on the description below, so you can also check that out. And before we start cooking, guys, as I always say, please subscribe to my channel, Try Ko Lang Recipes, for more Filipino dish recipes, and paklik na rin yung notification bell na yan para ma-notify ka kapag may bago tayong upload na video. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share this video as well to your friends and family. So without further ado, let's start cooking!